skull chain. Me and Slime up in the coupe, gon' knock your whole gang.
Next thing we did is we took off this whole bracket type thing by removing these little things that are connected all around. So yeah, use a flathead. It's pretty simple. Just put it in between the circle thing and kind of like do a little circle around it, and it should pop off easily. All right guys, so this is how it's looking right now. I had took off this metal tray from the seat. I bolted onto the bottom piece of it, those little 4 corners, and then I put that bar back on to align it perfectly. So now it kind of fits pretty good. Yeah, somewhat in a way. That's how it's looking right now. Now I just gotta get some bigger screws and bolt it on. What I'm planning to do is I'm gonna have to make some holes on the bucket seat, and I'm gonna find some bigger screws because I gotta make holes on the seat, because that's practically how it was on this seat. That's all it had, that metal under tree. All right, check continuation with the seat. Right now what I'm gonna try to attempt is cut these sides off, because when I try to put it onto the seat, the bride seat, it's not on there flush. So yeah, boom, we got both of them things off. Now I'm gonna try to make it flush to the point where it's not sticking out, and you know, it's not dangerous, but there's all 4, and yeah, move on to the next step. All right, so now we're gonna attempt to do drills so we can have the bolts inside. I don't know exact specs for it, the ones I got, but that's how they look like. Okay, so I remember what the size bolts are. They're size 13, and we put them underneath, going up, so it's gonna go up on the seat. Alright, we finally put all 4 on. We put 2 washers though in the front, and then the back didn't really need washers, but next thing we gotta do is just put these bolts on the back. Pretty much done with it. Alright, so we're done. This is just the passenger side, and now I just had to install it inside the Z. But yep, got it done. Alright, so I tightened the bolts from the back. Now I'm doing the front. And I had to put these seat brackets. So I had this harness and I bolted down. Same thing I did right there, but there's, you know, blah blah blah. It's also bolted to the side right here where the OEM seatbelt used to be at. And yeah, that's how it's looking. I just gotta bolt these 2 down, and it's already looking good. Alright guys, so I already had the seats in already, bolted and everything. And it's cool because when it's daytime, it stands out because I don't have tint. But it still looks pretty freaking cool. And before I end the video, I'll give you guys a quick montage. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy.